Hey babe. We are changing the brake pad.
So this is the difference in the brake pads.
Oh my gosh, that's so thin.
And down here it's actually hitting, it's worn out that much that it's on the metal.
Yeah.
It's hitting on the metal.
Yeah. That's really bad.
So new brake pads going in.
Brian's going to install the new one. Oh my god, what's that? He's wondering what's that noise.
Give me a paper towel.
Get Papa paper towel or tissue.
In our bag, or are they in the boot? I should have done these.
Yeah.
When I done the back ones because they were pretty worn. Not there?
Okay,
just one will do.
Some ice cream. No, you're supposed not to have. Oops. We're gonna go. We're here in the information area.
Hi.
Just gonna check.
You're just going to find out about camping at Balumba Creek.
Hi guys, we're here in Kenilworth, here in Queensland still, and we were planning to go and camp in Balumba. Sorry, we plan to go and camp in Balumba Creek, but because of heavy rain we have for a few days already, it is not suitable for two-wheel drive. You need a four-wheel drive to cross. I think, yeah, that's right. I just read a review in Google and about the place. It has two creeks, and yeah, so that means you'll need four-wheel drive at this time of the year because of the rain. When it's raining, it will be flooded, so we can't go there. And we are now heading to another camping ground, which is, oh, look at those. Oh. No, those are cows, right? They're not cattle. I think they're probably dairy or milking.
They're cattle.
Oh, okay. Cattle. Anyway, we are going to a free camping ground, which I don't know where about. Just gonna find it out.
Obi Road.
Obi, okay. Obi Road. We're going in there because Brian doesn't even tell me anything. Go there. Anyway, we leave it to the boss and hope it's gonna be a nice one to camp in. All right.
Nice to be with you.
Are you alright there, Sam?
I'm drunk from the
Chocolate?
oh, like, you know when you eat too much chocolate and you're like,
We just bought some stuff from Friendly Grocery Shop. So that's for our dinner tonight and also breakfast. And we will be leaving Monday. Yeah, that's right. We're going to spend evening with Martini. Is it 2 days at Martini's place? Monday, Tuesday.
you got ears. You got ears. You like my home at the back? Look. It's a dump. I'll show you. It's a tour. No, give me.
No, Lila.
No, please. It's a tour. Just look at my house. And down here. Dirty summer. Okay. Oh, it's going out. Can I fart?
What's that? Is that a man-made?
Wait, I'm not
Look like a
joking.
man-made.
Open the window.
Concrete.
Wait,
Ah, I
I
see.
need to fart.
That is to stop. Oh my gosh! That's what happened when you're traveling and then there's the party kid, babe. Bloody. The
Oh,
back of the
smell
car.
it.
Oh, no way! Stinks!
Can you smell
Ah! No
I told
way!
you to open it earlier. You guys will listen. Okay, it's gone now.
No! My window wasn't open.
No, save it for later.
You're
There's more
disgusting.
coming. There's more
Man.
coming. Oh my god. Mama, when you slept last night, there was a whole fart party. Remember, Pa? I kept farting. I'm like, ew. And I kept farting.
Yeah, they're like a cow. Keep farting. Look at them.
Cows don't really fart.
What do? They shit. They eat. They eat and eat and poop and fart and eat.
That horse is so cute. No, I...
We're a bit lost. We're going to do our camping. We're going to camp. So gonna have a look in Google. Free camping. We want free camping. We don't want to pay. Why can't we just pull over someone's property and say, "Hi, we're a bit lost.
Mama,
Can we camp in here for free?" Just
a
joking.
famous dude follows me.
I'm serious.
Mama,
What?
a famous dude follows me. Look.
Really?
Do you need a poo, Ma?
Oh, Sabi, what, Sabi? There's a snake. Come out.
Oh, I hate you, Mom.
Come out. Okay, that's it. I'm going. Sabi. Watch out.
You don't freaking do that! I fucking hate you. Bye.
Bye. She's angry at me now. Hi guys, we managed to find a camping ground and it's called Parklands. Here in, what's the coolest place? Kenilworth. Here in Kenilworth. We're just gonna set up. Oh, that's nice. We got our own fire pit, or we can. This is nice camping area here. There's some campers in there, and also the water is just right here in front of us, which is a river. We're gonna go and for a swim. Just gotta find a we just gotta park the car in a better position